Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. Again, it's me, Bear Stud. Just going to show off these OEM tools. I got to thank Tim's Garage for originally having the contest. Must have slipped by me. And as you know, Hard Knocks Forge won them, as he had a contest or a giveaway. And I want them. I call these the traveling tool set. I mean, they first started out in Canada, made their way to Kansas, and now they're here in South Carolina with me. I gotta say, you know, I'm not much of a guy who gives praises for tools made in Taiwan. I gotta say, I am impressed. By looks, these are nice. I mean, the sockets are nice. The ratchet is nice. You know, I did a little bit of research on them. These OEM tools are actually made by, or owned by a company called Great Neck Blades. I remember them, but in case there are as the tool, they have a tool symbol of a red giant saw blade that has a giraffe in it, and apparently they own about 5 or 6 different tool companies, OEM being one of them. Great Neck Tools. Let's see, Sheffield Knives, Maze's Levels, and Buck Brothers Chisels. But I have to agree with Hard Knocks. You know, I like the foam. It's got that simulated carbon fiber look. They look great. You know, the green, I gotta say, matches pretty close to this my home box here, and they're all covered with this hard chrome. I guess it's to help resist fingerprints and resist rust. But again, looks alone, they look great. I will say, as I found an interesting fact about them, is, as you see right here, got that nard grip. And if you notice right here on the spark plug, which is a 5/8, as you notice, it's got a different style grip right here. But from my understanding, they use the lines right here to identify whether it's an SAE. They use this nard type grip to identify that it's metric, which is, you know, right out the bat you can see, hey, you got a metric or you got a standard, which is a pretty cool design. And I gotta say, you know, I have a hard time giving praises to something that's made in Taiwan, tools. I mean, a lot of it is because I got this stigmatism. You know, I'm sure everybody's seen this style ratchet. You know, it's the cheap $5 to $10 socket ratchet set that they have at Walmart, Dollar General, hell, probably even Dollar Tree. And you know how cheap those are, but I'm impressed how well these are made. I got a side job coming up. working on a Nissan. And I'm definitely going to give these things a challenge, you know. I'm not saying I'm hard on my tools, because I'm not. But I'm going to treat them like I do every other tool. I'm going to work them. Again, thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below. Hit the thumbs up. Hit the thumbs down. Please subscribe. Take care and have a safe one.